Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Mrs. Madiha Sadiq, Subject Specialist Chemistry at Dwindle Public School and College, Sahiwal. Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you? Hope you will be fine. Students, you are learning chapter number 1, Fundamentals of Chemistry. Let's have a look at the learning objectives. Dear students, at the end of the lesson, you will be able to learn about Avogadro's number and you will be able to solve example 1.6 and 1.7 of the chapter. Let's have a look at the previous knowledge. Students, you have already learned about branches of chemistry, basic definition. You learn about element, compound, mixture, atomic number, mass number, relative atomic mass and atomic mass unit. Then you learn how can you write a chemical formula, and then you learn different types of formula like empirical formula, molecular mass, formula mass, and you learn about ions and types of molecules. Dear students, do you know whose picture is this? This is the picture of scientist Avogadro. Amedeo Avogadro was an Italian scholar and he is famous for molecular theory commonly known as Avogadro's law. So in tribute to him, the number of particles means atoms, molecules, ions in 1 mole of a substance 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23 is known as Avogadro's constant. So our today's topic is Avogadro's number. Dear students, you know that in chemistry we deal with substances which are composed of atoms, molecules or formula. The counting of these particles is not possible for the chemist. So the concept of Avogadro's number facilitates the counting of particles contained in the given mass of a substance. So let's see what is Avogadro's number. Avogadro's number is a collection of 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23 particles. And how is it represented? It is represented by the symbol Na. Hence the 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 number of atoms, molecules or a formula unit is called Avogadro's number. So what is Avogadro's number? 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 number of atoms, molecules और formula units उन्हें हम Avogadro's number कहेंगे. And 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 कितने मोल के इक्वल होगा? It is equal to 1 mole of a respective substance. अगर हम किसी भी सब्सटेंस का 1 मोल लेंगे तो उसके अंदर कितने नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स मौजूद होंगे? 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स मौजूद होंगे. मीन 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 नंबर ऑफ एटम्स, मॉलिक्यूल्स या फॉर्मूला यूनिट्स मौजूद होंगे. Students, do you know how many eggs are there in 1 dozen? Yes, of course, you know there are 12. So as there are 12 eggs is equal to the 1 dozen, so in simple words we say that 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 particles are equal to 1 mole, as 12 eggs are equal to 1 dozen. Now let's understand the relationship between Avogadro's number and mole of a substance. In order to understand this relationship, let's consider a few examples. The first one is that 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of carbon are equal to 1 mole of carbon. कार्बन के 1 मोल के अंदर कार्बन के कितने एटम्स मौजूद होंगे? 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 एटम्स मौजूद होंगे. Similarly, you know the formula of water, as you know that water is a molecule. So in 1 mole of water there will be 6.02 into 10 raised to the power 23 molecules of water. 6.02 10 to the power 23 molecules of water are equal to 1 mole of water. Similarly, you know the formula unit of sodium chloride and 1 mole of sodium chloride is equivalent to 6.02 into 10 raised by 23 formula units of sodium chloride. Now you know that 1 mole of carbon के अंदर कितने atoms मौजूद होंगे? 6.02 10 by 23 atoms. Similarly 1 mole of water के अंदर कितने molecules मौजूद होंगे? 6.02 into 10 raised by 23 molecules. और इसी तरह से 1 मोल ऑफ सोडियम क्लोराइड के अंदर कितने फॉर्मूला यूनिट्स मौजूद होंगे? 6.02 इंटू 10 raised to power 23 फॉर्मूला यूनिट्स मौजूद होंगे. तो 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms of elements or 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23 molecules of molecular substance or 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23 formula units of ionic compound are equal to 1 mole. Now for further explanation about number of atoms in molecular compound or number of ions in ionic compound, let's discuss two examples. Dear students, you know that a molecule of water consists of 2 hydrogen atom and 1 oxygen atom. So how many atoms of hydrogen are present? One molecule of water is made up of 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. Hence, इसमें total number of atoms hydrogen के कितने होंगे? 2 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms and similarly oxygen के water के 1 molecule में oxygen के कितने atoms मौजूद होंगे? 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms of oxygen will present in 1 mole of water. Similarly, you know the formula of sodium chloride. One formula unit of sodium chloride consists of 1 sodium ion and 1 chloride ion. So, अगर हमारे पास सोडियम क्लोराइड का 1 मोल है तो उसके अंदर सोडियम कितने मौजूद होंगे? 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 number of sodium ions and 6.02 into 10 raised to the power 23 chloride ions will be present. So total number of ions in 1 mole of sodium chloride is 12.04 into 10 raised to the power 23 or 1.204 into 10 raised to the power 24. Now there is an example 1.6 of chapter number 1. Let's see the statement. Its statement is that calculate the number of moles, number of molecules and number of atoms present in 6 gram of water. You are provided with 6 gram of water और 6 gram of water में आपने number of moles भी find out करनी है, number of molecules and number of atoms. Let's find them. Solution. The mass of water is given 6 gram and you know that the molar mass of water is 18 gram. Now you can find out the number of moles of water by applying the formula mass of substance divided by molar mass of the substance. Now the mass of substance is given 6 gram and you know the molar mass of the water is 18 gram. And when 6 will be divided by 18, the answer will be 0.33 moles. So first of all, we calculate the number of moles. Now we shall calculate number of molecules by applying the formula. You know that number of molecules can be found out by multiplying the number of moles with Avogadro's number. We have calculated the number of moles 0.3333 and Avogadro's number you already know 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23. When it will multiply by 0.33, the answer is 1.98 into 10 raised to power 23 molecules. So we have calculated the number of molecules also. The number of molecules contained in 6 gram of water are 1.98 into 10 raised to 23. As we know that one molecule of water consists of 3 atoms, 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. So total 3 atoms are present in water molecule. So we can calculate number of atoms by applying the formula 3 multiplied by 1.98 into 10 raised to power 23. The answer is 5.94 into 10 raised to power 23. Now let's solve the other example. Example 1.7 of chapter number 1. The statement of the example is that there are 3.01 into 10 raised to power 23 molecules of carbon dioxide present in a container. एक कंटेनर है जिसके अंदर कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड के कितने मॉलिक्यूल्स मौजूद हैं 3.01 into 10 raised to power 23. Now what we have to do? We have to calculate the number of moles and its mass. इसकी नंबर ऑफ मोल्स फाइंड आउट करनी है एंड देन इट्स मास. लेट्स सॉल्व द एग्जांपल. We can calculate the number of molecules of carbon dioxide by putting the values in equation. Number of moles of carbon dioxide is equal to number of molecules divided by Avogadro's number. The number of molecules are given, which are 3.01 into 10 raised to power 23. When it will be divided by Avogadro's number, which is 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23, the answer is 0.5 moles. So first of all, we calculate the number of moles in 3.01 into 10 raised to power 23 molecules of carbon dioxide. Now we shall calculate its mass. How can we calculate the mass? By putting this value in this equation, we get mass of substance is equal to number of moles multiplied by molar mass. Number of moles को अगर हम molar mass से multiply करेंगे, then we can calculate the mass of the substance. We have already calculated the number of moles 0.55 and molar mass of carbon dioxide is 44, and when 0.5 will be multiplied by 44, the answer is 22 gram. So mass of carbon dioxide is 22 gram. In this way, we calculate the mole and mass of carbon dioxide. Now let's have a recapitulation of the lesson. Student, first of all, you learn about Avogadro's number. What is Avogadro's number? Avogadro number is a collection of 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23 particles, and then you learn how it can be represented. It is represented by symbol Na. 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of carbon are equivalent to 1 mole of carbon, and you learn that 1 mole of water के अंदर कितने molecules मौजूद होंगे water के 6.02 into 10 raised to the power 23 molecules of water. So 1 molecule of water is made up of as 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen, hence 2 into 6.02 into 10 raised to the power 23 atoms of hydrogen and 6.02 into 10 raised to the power 23 atoms of oxygen constitute 1 mole of water. So if we have 1 mole of water, तो 1 mole of water में कितने हाइड्रोजन मौजूद होंगे 2 into 6.02 into 10 raised to the power 23, और 1 mole of water में कितने ऑक्सीजन एटम्स मौजूद होंगे 6.02 into 10 raised to the power 23 atoms of oxygen. Similarly, sodium chloride, as 1 unit of sodium chloride consists of 1 sodium ion and 1 chloride ion. So there are 6.02 into 10 raised to the power 23 number of sodium ion and 6.02 10 raised to the power 23 chloride ions in 1 mole of sodium chloride. So total number of ions कितने हो जाएंगे सोडियम क्लोराइड में 12.04 into 10 raised to the power 23 और 1.204 into 10 raised to the power 24. Then you learn example 1.6, in which you calculate number of moles, number of molecules and number of atoms present in 6 gram of water. So first of all, we calculate the number of moles. The mass of water was given 6 gram. Molar mass of water is 18 gram. So we apply the formula to calculate number of moles of water, mass of substance divided by molar mass of the substance. Mass is given 6, molar mass is 18. When 6 is divided by 18, the answer is 0.33 mole. Now we can calculate the number of molecules by multiplying the number of moles with Avogadro's number. When 0.33 is multiplied by Avogadro's number, that is 6.02 into 10 to the power 23, the answer is 1.98 into 10 to the power 3 molecules. The next example 1.7 was that there are 3.01 into 10 raised to power 23 molecules of carbon dioxide present in the container. Calculate number of moles and its mass. एक कंटेनर के अंदर कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड मौजूद है और उसके कितने मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं 3.01 इंटू 10⁻23 मॉलिक्यूल्स मौजूद हैं. हमने क्या करना है, इसको कैलकुलेट करना है, नंबर ऑफ मोल्स और इसकी मैस फाइंड आउट करनी है. So first of all we calculate number of moles by applying the formula number of molecules divided by Avogadro's number. So number of moles of carbon dioxide is equal to number of molecules कितने given है 3.01 into 10⁻23 when it is divided by the Avogadro's number which is 6.02 into 10⁻23 the answer is 0.5 mole. So 0.5 mole are present in 3.01 into 10⁻23 molecules of carbon. Now we shall calculate its mass by multiplying number of moles with molar mass. When the number of moles is multiplied by the molar mass, the answer will be 22 grams. Now there is an assignment for you. Question number 1, define Avogadro's number. You have to define Avogadro's number. And question number 2 is calculate the number of moles present in 6 gram of water. You have to calculate number of moles in 6 gram of water. So it was all about today's lesson. Thanks a lot and have a very good day.